you can see what might be standing right next to us, the new electric C-Class. It is still veiled because we can't give away too much, but the question is, when will we be able to see this beauty? Well, we'll be doing that in the beginning of next week in Seoul. I am really looking forward to that. I will attend the event, and then the world will be able to see the new fully electric C-Class. Well, we don't want to wait that long. Maybe you can give us a few details. Let us know what's so special about the new electric C-Class. Well, you want to be able to drive dynamically, you want superior handling. Maybe you can't really see it that way, but for this vehicle segment, the car has a generously spaced interior. So how is that possible? This is a whole new development of a fully electric architecture. Our engineers outdid themselves to use all the opportunities to ensure a compact, sporty interior, but a lot of space inside. So now we need to disclose something, and there's a little surprise for you, because Ola, you really tried to ensure that we would be able to catch a glimpse already. So yes, we can have a sneak preview. We would like to take a look at the interior, and then you will be able to see everything at the beginning of next week. So let's go.
Ja, eigentlich ist das Ganze jetzt noch ein bisschen schlimmer geworden.
Well, now this is even more difficult for us because we are even more curious about the vehicle. Why don't we take a look? I'm seeing this for the first time. Wow, that's amazing. There's one important thing, though, that we should make mention of. We already said that MBUX is on board of this new C-Class. It's our own operating system developed in-house, and it carries special significance for Mercedes-Benz. Maybe you can elaborate on that. Well, what do you see? It's a combination of cutting-edge, high-tech systems, superior quality, and a beautiful interior. The Mercedes-Benz operating system is the buzzword here. It raises the driving experience to a whole new level. We work with generative AI. It is imbued with life. It becomes tangible with the Mercedes-Benz virtual assistant. It's like your own personal butler. It's an assistant that helps the drivers to handle every situation they will encounter. So what's not to love about a personal assistant? Thank you so much for this, Ola.